In today's video, I'm going to give you a tour of Disney's All-Star Sports Resort. It is a value resort and one of the cheapest ways to stay at Disney on property. Let's go ahead and check out the room and then I'll give you a tour of the resort. Disney's All-Star Sports Resort is one of the most budget-friendly ways to stay on property at Walt Disney World in Orlando, Florida. This value resort is divided into 5 themed areas: baseball, basketball, football, tennis, and surfing, each featuring larger-than-life sports icons and playful decor. This resort offers a wide range of amenities designed to enhance your stay while staying on a budget. So let's go ahead and give you a tour of our room. We stayed in the surf step section, the ground floor. This room was in the preferred section, just steps away from Surfboard Bay Pool and the end zone food court. We were so close to everything, which came with a little noise, but we didn't mind it because of the quickness we could get to eat, to the buses, and all of the amenities. This room is so much nicer than I thought it was going to be for being one of the cheapest resorts here at Disney World. This truly is a value resort, but I am super impressed with just the cleanliness of this room, how beautiful and modern it is. They even put a little Mickey-shaped towel on our bed, which is super cute. Let's go ahead and check out the room and I'll show you all the details. So this room can sleep up to 4 adults. It has 1 queen bed and 1 queen table Murphy bed, which is so cute. Our kids love sleeping in these pull-down Murphy beds. I love the artwork they added to this room. It's a fun theme without being too over the top. I even love the little lights and the lighting in this room is so cute, and then it'll fold away easily to be able to be a table where you can enjoy breakfast or your kids can draw. Again, this is the queen bed and then the pull down queen table bed. And there was plenty of pillows for everybody. I love the dressers here. So many outlets to plug in your chargers for all your devices. We even had a little hook for our bags. And I was blown away by this bathroom. So much room for storage. Definitely a value resort, but I'm telling you, this was one of my favorites. The makeup mirror was on point. The lighting was perfect. And then the shower, it was so modern and nice and clean. I'm talking, I have high standards, and it was so clean. All the towels were there. They have their signature body wash, conditioner, and shampoo. They even had a makeup mirror, which I really enjoyed as well. A little pull-out one, along with the vanity mirror with the wonderful lighting. There was also a retractable clothesline for all those wet clothes or sweaty clothes from the pool or park days, along with a privacy door for the toilet and the shower, with a cool little mirror so you could see a full-length outfit. And there was an ironing board and iron along with a hairdryer. So if you're like me and you need a jolt of caffeine, first thing when you wake up in the morning, they have a in-room, a little Cuisinart coffee maker. It can make 2 cups of coffee, along with my favorite Joffrey's coffee. They also had some teas and a little bit of creamer. Everything you need to make your morning cup of coffee to get you going. Our view was the pool. We were so close. You could almost taste the chlorine water. Is it chlorine or salt water? I don't know. In this room, you'll also find a beverage cooler to keep your drinks cool. We also had a Hey Disney, which is their Alexa. And my kids love playing with it, getting it to play songs, asking it questions. So here is the view of the room. One of my favorite features is all the plugs, outlets to charge everything, especially the bedside tables. And I absolutely love this room. For the price, you can't beat the value of this room, especially if you plan on spending your whole day at the park. This resort is such a great way to stay on budget, to stay on property so you get the benefit, whether it's early entry at some of the theme parks, the complimentary transportation. This one would be buses here at this resort. There's lots of perks for staying at a Disney resort, like the ability to get a Disney dining plan. You cannot have that if you do not stay at a Disney resort. So now that I've given you a room tour, let's take you around Disney's All-Star Sports Resort and give you a better picture of what this resort is like, being a value resort and staying on property here in Disney World, Orlando. So as we make our way by the big marquee letters, this is where you'll line up for buses. Just a side note, there is no awning or covering in the section where you have to stand, so make sure you wear your sunscreen or have a place like a shady stroller for your kids. Again, you'll have to fold it up to get on the buses, but they'll have the times of the buses right here on the screen and all of the places to line up, say for Magic Kingdom, Animal Kingdom, everything will be marked so you'll know which line to get in. Right inside, as soon as you walk in the resort, you'll see your gift shop. This is where you'll also go get your refillable mug if you are getting the Disney dining plan. That's one of our favorite perks of getting the Disney dining plan, is getting that refillable mug that you can use all over the resort and refill it as many times as you want. Of course, there's some good things to pick up, some souvenirs, gifts, treats. They even have things like medicine if you have a headache, stuff like that. So make sure you check that out. Here is the main lobby section. It is very on theme with lots of sports stars, very sportsy. There's trophies. It's very over the top sports. And then they have this cute little character click kiosk where you could use your magic band and take pictures with your favorite characters. My kids love anytime they can get in a picture with Mickey and Minnie. And then here is your front desk area. You can go ask any questions, you can check in, you can get help right here in this area. So now let's walk through. We're gonna check out some things. This is called Stadium Hall. This is their main part of the resort. Again, where you'll find the gift shop, the end zone food court. Here's a list of the recreation activities. There's lots of cool things to do while you're here at your resort. So as you make your way through Stadium Hall, you'll see a Game Point Arcade. This arcade is huge, and my kids wanted to play every game in here, so let me tell you how big this arcade is versus some other Disney resorts. Fun for everyone. So let's go ahead and head to the food court. So here we are at End Zone Food Court, where you can get breakfast, lunch, dinner, and all kinds of great snacks. This is a super reasonably priced quick service food option. Individual meals are all $14.99 and under. There's everything from ice cream to hamburgers and hot dogs to pizzas to kids meals and some specialty desserts. It reminded me of what you would see like at a food court in a mall, with different lines having different food options available. Again, so many options to choose from, whether you're wanting a good old hot dog with chili and cheese on it or a kid's meal. They also had a beverage station with Coke products, tea, coffee, and the dining area with plenty of seats. And then as you head outside towards the pool bar was called Grandstand Spirits Pool Bar, serving alcoholic drinks. So as we come to Surfboard Bay Pool, this is a huge swimming pool, perfect for the whole family. They have so many cute little activities during the day, including fun games, music. It's very lively. There's even a movie out here at night. Make sure to check the times and days, but most nights they will have a movie out by the pool. So let's go to the first section next to Surfboard Bay Pool, and this is the Surfs Up section. This is the section we stayed in. There's also a Surfs Up bathhouse, which is your laundry and vending. If you get super hungry at night, there's a snack machine along with a laundry area if you need to wash some clothes. And there's a ping pong table outside the laundry area in case you need to waste some time while your clothes are drying. Again, this is what the Surfs Up laundry area looks like next to Surfs Up section. So this section has larger than life surfboards along with a shark fin, and it has elevators. with this resort. So again, this is the main pool, Surfboard Bay pool. The hours are 10 a.m. to 11 p.m. and there are complimentary towels, so you don't have to worry about bringing beach towels or pool towels. They have them already for you. Now we're gonna make our way to another section of All-Star Sports Resort. Of course, we had to go say to the Mickey statue with the All-Star Sports Resort banner, and now we're headed to the Hoops Hotel. Look at these oversized, like giant basketballs, hoops, whistles, even the megaphones. As you can see, there's different names of sports teams and such a cute theme for the Hoops Hotel. Now let's head to Center Court, the tennis themed area of the resort.
So we're still trying to figure out why the Ducks are playing baseball in the tennis area, but we'll get to that.
So as you head towards the back of Center Court, you'll notice Celebrity Hall. And I feel like this is where the groups, we saw lots of cheerleaders, we saw people in like a high school marching band, lots of groups of athletes stay at this resort. So you'll see lots of them headed towards this area, going to various competitions, sporting events. Now we're gonna make our way to Home Run Hotel, which is the baseball themed area. It also has its very own pool, which is pretty neat. This is a Grand Slam pool, and it is so cute back here. I love the theming. The pool looks like a baseball field, so it's really cool. I love this section, the little scoreboards, the oversized Coca-Cola, and the baseball bats. This is a cute area. Again, it's a little farther back, but it has its own pool. Just a side note, this does not have activities at this pool. That's located at the surfboard pool. Now we're gonna make our way to the touchdown football section. This has a larger than life football field. It is so cute. I love the theming on this one as well. The two giant helmets, the goalposts, lots of room for the kids to run and play. Now we've made our way back to Stadium Hall. Again, this is where the food court is. This is where our bus transportation is. There's also larger than life games, lots of family friendly, kid friendly activities to do at this resort. Lots of fun. The kids had so much fun playing with these larger than life games.
So if you're looking for a budget-friendly place to stay while having an awesome time at the different theme parks, check this place out. It's pretty awesome.
Thank you so much for watching today's video. Make sure you give me a thumbs up, and if you need some help planning your next Disney trip, you can click the link below to work with us to schedule your next magical vacation.